Buddha describes the beginning and the completion of the universe. Super Buddhism. 6 key words. 1. Vacuum, void. 2. Sarvarupashandarshana. 3. Gnana, emancipation. 4. Void meeting world. 5. Juki. 6. Mu-shou-ho-nin, Anutpattika-dharma-ksanti. Mu-shou-ho-nin, Japanese Mu-shou-ho-nin, the state of nothingness, being emancipated and in a state of non-substantiality, vacuum, void, emptiness, recognition that nothing arises or perishes. Note: the Buddha told us about Mu-shou-ho-nin, the real existence, with the discovery of modern science that the universe came to exist from the Big Bang. We are now to realize what spirit and matter really are.
今回ですね、最初の人でもですね、わかるような、私の、教えのですね、全体をですね、コンパクトに簡単にまとめた内容にしていました。はい。このチャンネルは、仏教を通して宇宙の始まりからその目的、そして生命の完成までを
Today, I'd like to explain about 6 key words in a simple way so the beginners can easily understand. This channel is the only one in the world that explains through Buddhism the beginning of the universe, the purpose of the universe, and the goal of life.
その答えはかつてニュートンやアインシュタイン、ニールス・ボーヤやスティーブン・ホーキングが
The answer is in the unified field theory that Newton, Einstein, Niels Bohr, and Stephen Hawking spent their lives trying to find. Now, these great scientists could not find this unified field theory. So, why was this universe created? For what purpose? And what is the purpose of human birth? Why are we able to understand this universe in time and space? And why are we able to use words and letters to deepen our intelligence from generation to generation? Now, in the 21st century, what is the final end that Einstein, Niels Bohr, and other geniuses have reached? It's the question, why did the Big Bang occur and why was this time and space, the universe, created from nothingness of vacuum before the beginning of the universe?
ここですね。では、この私たちの三次元世界を生み出す真空というのはどういう仕組みになっていて、
What is the mechanism, structure, and purpose of the vacuum that created our three-dimensional world, and how did it create our universe? And how should we live in this world? The aim of this channel is to explain this to you. Here, in this channel, I'd like to explain the beginning of the universe and its purpose in a pleasurable and interesting way, sometimes touching on the food culture of the time of the Buddha and Christ. Now, what is it that the world's greatest minds have spent their lives trying to figure out? This channel begins with a question from Stephen Hawking's book. Why did the universe come into existence? The answer to this question is written in this book of the Lotus Sutra, and which is the starting point of our discussion. The Lotus Sutra tells about why the 4 forces of nature caused gravity in a vacuum, weak interactions, electromagnetism, the Big Bang, and the universe after the Big Bang, the relative world structures of the past and future. It is about you and I, and here and there. It is why time and space were created within the three-dimensional world. And intelligent creatures will exchange information with each other in the form of letters, and then, generation after generation, they will deepen their understanding of the structure of this universe. That's how all the world is. Do you see this?
じゃあ、その先にあるこの真空とは何か、その答えは何でしょう？
Well, then, the important question to be asked Next is, what is the vacuum that existed before the Big Bang? What is the answer to that question? Here, 5 very important keywords of Buddhism become important.
ここで仏教のですね、とても大切な5つのキーワードが、
One of these keywords is the vacuum that existed before the universe began, which the Buddha called the nothingness, ku in Japanese, void